we have these helium balloons.
This says welcome back on it.
This one is a smiley face. So now, we're gonna heliumize ourselves. Oh!
Hello, Sarah. This is funny. Woo! Yeah, Sarah.
You just cut the tip off. I just cut a little slit in it.
Oh, then I should do that.
Yesterday was our Degrassi party. And it was really epic. Yeah. Woo!
It's not working for me. Why is
Well,
it?
don't ask me. Here, let me see. Boop, boop, boop.
Oh, that's how you did it. Cut it more.
I'm trying.
Okay.
Hello, Kinsey.
Helium tastes bad.
I know. Ugh. Gross. Oh my gosh. Hello, Sarah. Hello, people.
This.
Hello, people of America. How are you? I'm very fine.
Hello.
Hello, America. Hello. Hello, America. What's up? What's up? America, this is fun, so you should do it. Yeah.
Totally, man.
Yeah.
That was funny. You were like, ah.
Totally, man, you should do this. I feel like exploding. I feel like I'm a macaroni noodle.
Our voices were so high.
Sarah, suck in like a ton of air. It'll like really make you like really high pitched.